How to add a location in a Facebook post. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts from friends and pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, go to the status box at the top. Then, tap on Photo or Video. From here, you can choose photos or videos from your camera roll to post on Facebook. Select any video from here. Then, tap on Next below. Here, you can manage the post settings such as post audience. Tap on the location icon below to add a location. Now, search for or choose a location from here. Once you're done, tap on Post at the top right corner. You have now successfully uploaded this video to Facebook. Following these steps, you can easily add a location in a Facebook post.